Hi viewers, welcome to Lakshmi's Vegan Kitchen. Today I am going to make vermicelli payasam. Let's see the process. I have taken half a cup of roasted vermicelli. You can take plain vermicelli and roast it also. 3/4 to 1 cup of sugar, but I have taken 1 cup of sugar. It varies depending upon your taste, and you can use jaggery instead of sugar also, same amount. And 2.5 cups of water. And I have taken 1, 2 and 3 sets of coconut milk. I'm going to boil vermicelli in 2.5 cups of water. So the vermicelli has to be boiled till it cooks. I'm going to add sugar. Let the sugar melt. For seasoning, I'm adding 1 teaspoon of cardamom powder. For garnishing, I have taken 1 teaspoon of coconut oil. In this coconut oil, I am going to fry cashews and raisins. I have taken 5 cashews and some raisins also. So let me first heat it. Now simmer your stove, and then now I am going to add third milk of coconut. I am going to add, and it is going to boil for 2 minutes. That's it. Now I am going to switch off the stove and add the first milk. Here I am skipping the second milk because I have more than what I need, so I am just adding the first milk. Now I'm garnishing with this. Vermicelli payasam is ready.